All right, one of the next applications I want to talk about would be attaching your pergola system to a wood siding or a Hariboard type siding. It's pretty much the same application you would with stucco. You're going to attach the ledger to the home. You're going to want to attach that. Let's look at it from underneath. You're going to want to attach that to the studs in the home so you've got a solid connection to hold the weight of the ledger. You would lay that out and drill and put the lags in on the studs that are in your existing home. One thing with a siding, a wood siding or a Hariboard type siding, is that it's actually a strong enough structure that as you lag this ledger in, it's going to be able to handle that and not crush. So you can just run the lags through the siding and into the studs that are on the home and make that connection. That's how we would attach to a wood siding or a Hariboard type siding.